The richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. This quote by Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of building networks and leveraging connections, which is crucial in the online business world, where networking can lead to new opportunities and partnerships. That being said, for this video I will be sharing about the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. And what's amazing is there is a free workshop that will help aspiring digital marketers and even the seasoned ones to know about the latest in digital marketing and what the John Thornhill Ambassador Program is all about. Exciting, isn't it? If you can't wait to get those limited seats to the weekly free workshop, check the link in the description box below. It is only through this video you will be able to access it directly. That is because sometimes we, here at Chris Learns to Rock, we post it in our stories, or we may instruct viewers to check our link in the bio and check our shop's page. But here in this video, we are providing the registration link in the description box, right there. Anyway, welcome again to Chris Learns to Rock YouTube channel, and sorry for the long intro, as we are so excited to learn about the free workshop for the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. Once again, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications bell to get notified on our new video release and learn new opportunities, tips, and tricks on how to make money online. Here at Chris Learns to Rock, we are sharing the best online programs that can land you an online job, work out your own online business, or any online opportunities available for everyone. And as mentioned constantly in our videos, this channel advocates for positivity, and our topmost marketing strategy is care. We care about your future in the vast digital online world and help you explore possibilities to maximize the online market potential. While learning new technologies and ways of making money online, we hope our contents help you improve your skills, abilities, and confidence as you establish your personality and presence, online or offline. So without further ado, and as you have heard in the intro, this video is all about the John Thornhill Ambassador Program and the free workshop that is available to learn about the program and learn about some basics in affiliate marketing. To further break down what we will discuss in this video, we will recap what the John Thornhill Ambassador Program is. We have 2 introductory videos already posted on this channel. We will share the links to those videos in the description box should you want to watch them as well. And secondly, we will go through the website to register for the free workshop. We will share what to expect if you will attend the free workshop. And finally, we will share tips in order to optimize this amazing digital marketing opportunity. Tips tailored for passionate individuals who are really into digital or affiliate marketing. So regardless if you are starting to learn digital marketing or someone who has tried it and wants greater success, the tips that we will share later in the video might be good enough to assist you and become successful in your digital marketing journey. So without further delay, let's dive in and deep dive into the John Thornhill Ambassador Program and the free workshop offering. Let's first start with the recap of the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. Again, we did have introduction videos posted on this channel, link in the description box below. For those who are new, John Thornhill's Ambassador Program is a comprehensive system built by the man himself, John Thornhill. He designed this system to assist affiliate marketers in maximizing sales. It outlines strategies and techniques employed by top affiliates worldwide to achieve maximum profits with minimal effort. The program makes it easy for anyone to get started, even without prior experience in digital marketing or product development. Participants will learn how to set up campaigns, create conversion-driving content, and optimize their efforts for maximum profitability. By leveraging the resources provided in the Ambassador Program built by John Thornhill, anyone can become proficient in creating profitable campaigns and maximizing their earnings. With John Thornhill's expert guidance, participants can quickly become successful affiliate marketers and start making money online. Do you find it exciting so far? If you are serious about taking charge of your financial future, John Thornhill's Ambassador Program is the ideal launching pad to start up or kick off your digital marketing journey to greater heights. Also, here are the key features of John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. 1. You will have a custom-built JV page. This is a page professionally designed joint venture pages to attract partners and collaborators. 2. You will have a high-converting opt-in page, a page that will optimize your lead generation with high-converting landing pages. 3. You will have an email follow-up system, which is a 99-day sequence of ready-to-go email follow-ups to nurture your leads. 4. you will have access to video walkthroughs, a step-by-step guidance for leveraging Thornhill's proven funnels, which to me is a very exciting feature that will surely help you to get familiarized with the system. 5. You will have guest post opportunities. These are promotional support through guest posts as part of the program. 6. You will have banner and signature ads. These are rotating banner and signature ad placements. 7. You will be part of the second-tier affiliate structure, your opportunities for additional revenue streams. 8. You will have or be a part of an entrepreneurial community. You'll get access to a thriving community of like-minded entrepreneurs, which are new or experienced digital marketers that can help you in your journey. In terms of how you will benefit from this program, here are those. 1. You get to avail proven funnels. You will access optimized webinar funnels specifically designed for you to maximize lead generation and secure high-ticket sales. 2. Sophisticated traffic generation. The program has a lot of comprehensive strategies for generating targeted high-quality traffic to ensure a continuous flow of leads. The more leads, the more sales. The more sales, the more commissions, and ultimately stabilizing your daily regular income. 3. Support and promotion. The program has extensive promotional opportunities including guest posts, social media promotions, banner ads, and signature ad placements. 4. Second-tier affiliate structure. With this structure, the potential to earn from second-tier affiliates, providing an additional revenue stream without the complexities of MLM or multi-level marketing structures. Truly, through the John Thornhill's Ambassador Program, you will learn the secrets to creating automatic income streams that generate daily sales. It will equip you with proven techniques for quickly driving high traffic to your website using 5 effective traffic systems. And you will unlock your potential and maximize your productivity in minimal time. It is really a good chance for you to explore these lucrative affiliate networks and generate significant income. So, let us now learn about the free workshop available to know more about John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. If you click on the link in the description box below about the free workshop opportunity, it will lead you to this page. I hope this guides you to not fall into fake sites, scams, and those illegitimate ones. So on the site you will see, join the 2024 Webinar Profit Engine Workshop now. The step-by-step profit engine blueprint John used to generate $5 million with automated webinars. You will see the register button right after the webinar profit engine diagram. What you will learn during the workshop is posted as well on the registration site. During the workshop, you will know the exact strategy that John used to generate $5 million using simple automated webinars and how you can seamlessly implement this in your own business. John also shared 10 tested and proven webinar hacks to skyrocket your conversions. When these hacks are combined, they have the power to double your sales. There is the automated system John used that allows me to build and launch a webinar profit engine in minutes. You will see how it operates on autopilot, driving sales day in and day out. John also shared his #1 strategy for keeping attendees glued to your presentation, so they stick around to see your offer. More people who see your offer equals more sales. He also shared how to use his 5 battle-tested webinar profit engine frameworks to flood your business with more sales, customers, and clients. And how to do all of this while turning your webinar into an unstoppable sales engine that generates income 24/7, so you can finally stop trading your time for money. Ultimately, he shared how you can set this system up in under 30 minutes and with no need to create anything yourself. Also, on the site, you will learn about John Thornhill himself, how he showcases his automated webinars that give him $5 million in profit. John Thornhill is a distinguished British internet marketer who has been a monumental figure in the online marketing industry for over 2 decades. He has a unique approach to generating income through affiliate marketing, and it is highly acclaimed, and with successful programs such as Partnership to Success mentoring program and the Ambassador Program. What truly sets John apart is his exceptional customer service and his relentless pursuit of enhancing his existing programs, earning him a stellar reputation among his clients. John Thornhill, as a ClickBank Platinum seller, his digital products have netted over $5 million in personal profits. Furthermore, he has coached over 3,000 students, helping them generate more than $23 million in sales. So whether you are new or experienced in digital marketing, success in these high-ticket affiliate programs like John Thornhill's Ambassador Program requires a strategic approach. So here at Chris Learns to Rock YouTube channel, we ensure we equip you with tips for you to become successful in this endeavor. So here are some of the all-important tips for success. If you are new to digital marketing, our first tip is for you to understand the program thoroughly. Take time to learn about the products you're promoting. Understand the value they offer, the target audience, and the key selling points. Familiarize yourself with the marketing tools and resources provided by the program. Secondly, invest in learning. Digital marketing has many facets, including email marketing, social media, SEO, and paid ads. Invest in courses or resources to build your knowledge in these areas. Attend the training sessions provided by the program, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Third, start with organic traffic. If you're on a budget, focus on generating organic traffic through content marketing, social media, and SEO or search engine optimization. Build a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence to attract and engage your audience. Fourth tip, leverage social proof. Share testimonials, case studies, and success stories from others who have benefited from the program. It is also important to create your own success story as you make progress, even if it's small wins in the beginning. Another tip is to focus on building an email list. Building an email list is crucial for long-term success. Offer a free lead magnet related to the product to capture email addresses. Also, make use of the program's done-for-you follow-up sequences, but also consider customizing them to add your personal touch. And last tip for newbies, be consistent. Consistency is key in digital marketing. Create a content calendar and stick to it. Regularly publish content, send emails, and engage with your audience. Now here are our tips for experienced digital marketers. First tip for experienced marketers is to optimize the provided funnels. While the program may offer done-for-you funnels, consider customizing them to align better with your brand and audience. Test different elements like headlines and CTAs within the funnels to improve conversion rates. Second tip, utilize paid advertising. Leverage paid traffic sources like Facebook ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Use retargeting strategies to bring back visitors who didn't convert on their first visit. Third tip is to create custom bonuses. Offer exclusive bonuses to incentivize people to purchase through your affiliate link. These could be additional training, guides, or tools that complement the program. Also, promote your bonuses as unique selling points in your marketing efforts. Our fourth tip for experienced marketers is to leverage advanced email marketing. Segment your email list based on behavior, interests, or purchase history to deliver more personalized content. Also, develop automated email sequences that nurture leads and encourage conversions over time. Another important tip for experienced digital marketers is to build a community. Create a Facebook group, Telegram channel, or Discord server where your audience can gather, ask questions, and share their experiences. This helps build trust and positions you as an authority, making it easier to promote high-ticket products. Sixth tip is to monitor and scale. This means track your performance metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROI closely to understand what's working and what isn't. Scale your successful campaigns by increasing your ad spend, expanding your content strategy, or exploring new traffic sources. Lastly, and also important, is to network with other marketers. Join affiliate marketing communities or masterminds to share insights, strategies, and even collaborate on joint ventures. Learning from others' experiences can provide new ideas and help you stay updated on industry trends. Here are the important general tips. First, maintain integrity. Always promote products that you genuinely believe in. Your audience's trust is invaluable, and pushing products that don't deliver can harm your reputation. Second, keep up with industry trends. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Stay informed about new tools, platforms, and strategies to keep your marketing efforts fresh and effective. Lastly, patience and persistence. High-ticket affiliate marketing can take time to gain momentum. Be patient, stay persistent, and keep refining your approach. By following these tips, both new and experienced digital marketers can maximize their success in programs like John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box below to grab a seat to the free workshop and discover for yourself this amazing digital marketing ambassador program. Thank you for watching. and see you in the next video.